Hey, it's Melissa with Melissa Peterson Designs. I am just hopping on real quick to do a quick Christmas tree craft. I bought this at Hobby Lobby, this paper mache Christmas tree. Regularly $9.99 and it's 50% off, so I got it for about $5. And then I found this, it's not garland, but it's over in the upholstery section at Hobby Lobby in the clearance section. It normally costs $9.99 per yard. It was on clearance and I got the whole bag for $12, less than $12. So, and I'm just basically going to glue this on the Christmas tree. So I'm just using my hot glue. I already got one row started. Just watch your fingers. And I'm just basically going around and gluing on this thin strip. I've already done one. I'll show you here in a second. And the first one I did, I didn't get it on clearance, and I got 3 yards, and I did the small tree. And basically, this small tree is $5.99, but then it's half off, so it's about $3. This took almost 3 yards of the same material, but it was a different style, different color, and it was not on sale. And basically the 3 yards cost as much as this whole clearance one. So this is my other tree. And I'm basically going to put it up on a candlestick or a stand, so that way the beads can dangle down. I think it's kind of neat. So I'm assuming I'll have enough for this one, even though this one's bigger. I barely had enough for that one, for the small one. That was 3 yards. But if you go back in the Hobby Lobby in the corner where the fabric section is, way back in the corner there is a clearance section, and that's where I found these clearance beads. So you might get lucky. I saw one that'd be perfect for Thanksgiving. They were orange and red, like the berry picks I used in my wreaths. So basically, I'm just going to glue this on and just follow it all the way around up to the top. When I get done, I'll post a picture in the group. So you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.